you in tune? Because if not, man, I'm going to be really mad.
He's too.
He's like, oh no. Oh, that's a little hot. Turn it down just a smidgen. Play something, Clint. Is it too loud out there? You guys okay? All right, cool.
From your cup, taste you breathing. Shed my skin for you, I don't mind bleeding. Do what you want with me, I don't care. I'm not saying that I won't survive, I'm not saying that I'm ready to die. Every tear, every sugar, till it moves you, yeah. If I give my heart to you, you keep it beating. Do what you want with me, have no fear. I'm not asking for sacrifice, I'm not asking you to curl up and die. Baby, I'm on my knees and my love is pumping up, pick me up, pick it up. My medicine, I'll take it when I'm feeling it, falling in love. You're my drug. You're my drug. I gotta swallow this feeling. Hey baby, I'm on my knees and my blood is pumping up. Pick me up, give it up. My medicine, I'll take you when I'm giving and falling in love. Baby, I'm on my knees and my blood is pumping up. Pick me up, give it up. My medicine, I'll take you when I'm giving it.
I'm not like ordering the sound guy around, I'm just too lazy to get on my chair. How was that for you, man? Give it up for Zach, everybody. Too school for cool, man.
Too school for cool.
Yeah, too school for cool.
I like it.
Exactly. Whew. Exactly. Exactly. Uh-huh. Everyone doing okay? Yeah? All right, cool. Let's keep Zach here and do a song for Zachary and Anastasia. Where are they? Where's Zachary and Anastasia? Are they still around? Should we wait until they're found? Okay, Dawn's going out there too. Let's do something else while we look for them. Well,
Mother. All right.
So we just threw this one in this afternoon. All right, we're gonna do one, Don, and then when you get back, we'll be ready.
Mother, mother, can you hear me? I'm just calling to say hello. Are you ready? Mother, mother, can you hear me? I'm just calling to say hello. How's the weather? How's my father? Am I lonely? Heavens know. Mother, mother, can you hear me? Just a phone call to ease your mind. Life is perfect, never better. Distance making heart grow fond. When you send me off to see the world, weren't you scared that I might get hurt? Would I try a little tobacco? Would I keep on hiking up my skirt? I'm hungry, I'm dirty, I'm losing my mind, everything's fine. I'm freezing, I'm starving, I'm bleeding to death, everything's fine. Yeah, I'm working, making money. I'm just starting to build a name. I can make it anywhere. Oh yeah, I can make it any day. Mother, mother, are you listening? Sure I'm sober, sure I'm sane. Life is perfect, never better. Still your daughter, still the same. If I tell you what you wanna hear, would it help you to sleep well at night? Are you sure that I'm your perfect gift? Well, now cuddle up and sleep tight. I'm hungry, I'm dirty, I'm losing my mind, everything's fine. I'm freezing, I'm starving, I'm bleeding to death, everything's fine. I miss you, I love you. That was fun. Get up a clip with his Corona, my Corona. So, do we have Zachary? They're still coming? Thank you, Don. Uh-huh. I hear you. They're probably going to come in here and go, oh, why'd they call us in for that? Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, Anastasia. Oh, cutie pie. She is, huh? Hi, doll. How are you? Sing a song for you. Wanna come sit here? Come on. Get ready to shake her. Get ready to try this. Try this. You want to go higher?
stage, Zachary and Anastasia. Yeah. They're in the band now. We just made them band members, right? You're cool now. All right, sweet. Are you ready? All right, this one's just for you guys, okay? All right, cool.
When the day is dark and the sun is cold, it's pouring, your dreams dissolve, you wanna give up, can't hang on, there's nothing you believe in, you're crying on your knees, asking, oh God, why the pain's got you crazy, you're feeling so lonely, and no one can save you, no, I'm here for you, hang on, hold on, it's all loud silence.
Very good.
Like a bird, you wanna be high and dying to kill this time. You're aching and breaking, but don't give up, please. There's something to believe in. You're dreaming of a straight line, touching that sacred light. You're spinning in your mind, keeps you locked up inside. Seems there's no end. Oh, please let me in and hang on. Hold on, it's a loud silence. You gotta hang on. Hold on, it's a loud silence. Yeah. Screwed up and twisted, you're dancing with demons, screaming for needles to take all your pain. You're going insane as the voices get louder, louder, it's a loud silence. You gotta hold on. It's a loud silence, and the voices keep screaming louder, louder.
Zachary really enjoyed that. He's like, yeah! And I think you did too, huh, Anastasia? You guys are cool rock stars now. You want to go play again? No? You want to go outside and play again, or you just want to hang out here? Play? All right, go ahead. Cute, man. He wants to play. Because he wants to be a cool rock star too, huh, James? What do you want, the tambourine or the shaker? Shaker? All right, cool. He knows what he wants. I like him. I think I'll keep him. What are your parents, James? That's your mommy? No? She's like... Here is auntie, okay. All right, are you ready to rock? Let's do it. Oh yeah, okay, let's do this one.